Ecoglo's manufacturing plant is in Christchurch, New Zealand. The manufacturing process is largely automated, allowing production staff to focus on quality control, consistency, efficiency and innovation. To manufacture a standard E-series contrast strip, the first step in the process is to source raw material from an aluminium supplier with as much recycled component as possible. The extrusion is shipped to Ecoglo in 2.44 or 3.06 metre lengths. These extrusions contain horizontal ridges designed to help protect the finished product from wear and tear. The aluminium extrusion is then pre-treated and powder coated prior to the production process. The production process is an automated system that begins with the aluminium strips being placed onto a feeder table. The strips then pass under hoppers that contain the prepared powder mixes. One mix contains the strontium aluminate photoluminescent powder and the other the anti-slip powder mix containing a silicon carbide grit. The aluminium strip with the powder mixes continue along onto a conveyor belt which takes it through a custom designed oven that integrally bonds the powders onto the strips. This process effectively fuses the powder onto the aluminium, creating a highly durable product. The dry powder heat conversion process also ensures consistency of the photoluminescent application. Once the strips exit the oven, they continue on the conveyor, allowing a cooling down period before dropping into a holding crate. From there, they are removed and placed onto a flat inspection table, where each strip undertakes a final quality check. Rejects or seconds are removed to a designated area to avoid any possible mixing with A-grade product. If the product is to be shipped internationally, it is counted and packed into wooden crates that have been made to a mandated international standard. If product is not required immediately for an order, it is counted and placed into boxes and then taken to a designated area for processed product. Aluminium housings are extruded in 3.06 and 3.65 metre lengths to ultimately become the Ecoglo F or C series products. If an order is received where fabricated product is requested, the strips are combined with aluminium housing extrusions. The fabrication process requires cutting of the housing extrusion by a drop saw with an aluminium blade and guillotine cutting the processed strip to match the length of the housing. Countersunk holes are then drilled to accommodate fixes that will be used in the final installation process. The number of screw holes vary depending on the requested length of the fabricated product, and all lengths will have holes 100mm in from each end. An industrial strength adhesive is laid into the housing channel. The strip is placed in the channel, applying downward pressure, ensuring at the same time the strip and housing cut lengths exactly match each other. The finished product is left overnight for the adhesive to cure. Fixes are supplied with fabricated orders, but the recommended installation adhesive is only supplied if requested by the customer on their purchase order. Installation instructions and cleaning and maintenance requirements are included with the order when final packaging is carried out. Other strip products produced using the same process include the N series, which does not contain the photoluminescent powder mix, and the G series, which does not include the anti-slip powder mix. Products are available with 3 different coloured anti-slip materials. This can be altered as required when the powders are pre-mixed prior to the strip production process. Custom colours for the anti-slip material are also possible. To produce signage products, the photoluminescent pigment is mixed and then integrally bonded to the aluminium sheet using the same oven curing process. The sheet is then ready to be screen printed with text and/or graphics, or digitally printed depending on the size of the order run and the number of colours that are specified. Following printing, the sheet is spray coated with an anti-graffiti clear top coat, which undergoes the same heat bonding process.